Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to stop automatic update in your Windows 10. So let's take a look how to do that. There is three things you have to set up on your computer. First thing is you have to go on your start icon in your Windows and then click on setting, and then you will see a new screen will appear. Here you will find update and security. Simply click over there and then click on advanced option. After that, make sure all this thing is turned off on your Windows. So if it is on, simply turn it off, all these things. And after that, go again on search icon and here type service, SERVICES, and then you will see upside there is a service desktop apps. Simply open that and then you will see will be a new screen will appear, and you scroll down all the way, find out the Windows update. Here you will see there is a Windows update. Simply double click that and there you will see Windows update properties will appear. Simply in here starter type, make it disable, and then simply click on apply and then click on OK, and then again close this screen. Again go on search icon and type here edit, EDIT, and then you will see here edit group policy. Simply click over there and then you will see a new screen will appear. Simply click on, I'm going to make it more, click on administrative template, and then you will find here Windows component. Simply click over there, double click it, and then you will see new screen will appear. After that, all the way come down and find out Windows update. Here you will see all the way down, you will see there is a new folder, which is called Windows Update. Simply click over there and then you will see there will be a new screen will appear. Simply you will find out the configure automatic update. Simply open this and then click on enable, and then here configure automatic update, make it to notify for download and auto install. Simply click on apply and then OK. From now your Windows will be not automatically update. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.